So, round 2. Our theme this round is classic with a twist. So, tangy was a fun theme last round. This round, it was going to be kind of like, can you take a game that you like, take a mechanic from it that you like, and then how can you make it better or different? So, for example, Mario with a campaign mode, tower defense with a visual novel aspect, first person Plants vs Zombies, chess with guns. Take something that you already know and love and see if you can make it better. So that is our theme for this round. And we are very open to interpretation. Seriously, just go wild with it. Yeah, so I'll give you guys a couple of minutes to have a think, see if that sparks anything for anyone. And I'll check back in with you guys in 5 minutes or so and see if anyone has an idea for some games to host next for this round. Cool. How are we going with, has anyone really hit inspiration with this theme here? Does anyone have a theme or a game that they want to propose for the next jam?
Yeah.
Yep? Alright. Surely more people. I feel like this is a pretty open-ended theme. Even if it's just like an inkling of an idea.
Guys, just do an idea, come on.
Yeah? You got one too? Awesome. Then we can do one more. I'm feeling... You've got one? Awesome. 3 games. Cool. I will check in with you guys first, and then what I'll do is I'll get you guys to present your ideas.
Alright, so what do you want me to do in the meantime?
In the meantime, what's on my next slide? Oh, you can just chuck it on that one for now. I'm just going to check in with them to make sure the scope's not too big.
Alright, I mean, like, I'll just like sit on like garlic phone or something.
Oh yeah, that'll be good.
But look.
The goose is loose, the cat is a bat, the dragon is grand.
Yes, we make a change. Upload it.
Yeah, no, an exam's coming up.
Duck Duck Dragon.
These are new mascots.
I like that.
That's cute.
Duck riding a
And it's also
griffin.
merge complex, so you can manually choose who you can like pick something.
Nice.
This is the line.
Where is it?
It's kind of
Oh, here it is.
Is this the new Pokemon? That it might be the new Pokemon, yeah.
Oh my gosh, Josh, we started to me today. Oh my god.
It's only a
Gosh, guys.
Grim Reaper.
Ah!
Oh no.
I mean, that actually is happening in the series.
Garfield performs abstinence with him.
Oh, no, no,
Oh, wow.
John was a Louis. Manicure hunting at an overnight.
It was like
Oh, okay, so it's in Oh wait, I think I know exactly where it is.
Lights, camera, lecture.
Oh!
Oh.
That's
Guy in spotlight.
So I think what was really cool about that.
Guy alone in spotlight.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, that's how I expected. But this is the
I think
baby.
like, because I think
Wow.
Jojo pose. She's allergic to water. You're laughing and she's allergic.
Company man avoiding water.
Oh my god.
Allergic to water.
No, I know exactly. It's fun. Having like 20 people just playing.
Angry aquaphone.
This round's theme is classic with it.
My friend has a song about
it's something.
Like playing God of Fun. One of our friends didn't want to play it.
Exactly.
And we wanted them to play
So
it.
very open.
Tiger fighting.
What we like
It
about it
works.
is just like,
Oh, FPS it doesn't.
like,
Good game.
Tigers having an argument about
you know, the
milk.
game's,
Oh.
yeah.
Tiger character loses 3 million spots.
Addicted to gambling.
That's why it was Genshin.
Gadget impact addiction.
I think that the other thing is you like.
Teacher throwing a whiteboard pen.
While they're trying to grow their child. And so it's kind of like, it's like one competitive thing rather than.
Oh, really?
Math is bad.
But that's the main idea. It's kind of the game.
Yeah, that was good. That was a good dump truck show. So stupid.
You stupid. No, I'm not. What's 9 plus 10?
I don't know.
9 plus 10.
So what we do is, so we have
Yes.
and they.
A dog jumping
I'm
in the
telling someone
face.
to agree though on the grave. They're gonna die.
Yeah, basically, yeah, they're gonna die in the Fortnite war.
Dancing on pizza.
Yeah, basically you just walk over to whichever game you're most interested in working on. You might have a fourth.
Oh, it's very similar to the other one. Like,
Italian Aladdin.
But it might be like a.
No one's getting
Get a friend.
Chat artist plays.
Unity moment.
Mr. Incredible beats. Oh my. PP. Hash colon hash.
who did this? Oh my god.
Epic action scene for
Obviously, it
me.
depends on whether they're online or not. And then there's not like you got like some Oracle server.
And yeah, apart from these nights,
Sweetie, your daddy's a sword devil again.
just come and develop. It's like, we just have this room available.
None.
Fencing match.
Anyone wants to like do anything.
Also, we did like there's no obligation to join HGG Jam round. Like
Fancy
we don't,
dog
like
farm.
I didn't join last round. I was too busy. I had work to do. So like,
Magic fire
Because
sticks.
one of my mates really likes automating stuff.
yeah, sure.
He made like a
Do you have a
bunch
game
of
idea?
Somebody said that.
When you think classic,
It's just enslaving villages basically for like most of the time. So then you just have like infinite everything.
A very funny individual.
There's like not a whole lot for us to do now.
Marketing in different ways.
I'll have to think of
I was gonna say,
Pretty funny.
I think that's the hardest part.
Injection.
it's one man.
I'm just going to
I feel like you have any
I don't want to do it. It's just me and like one. I mean, like that would be
Oh, really?
You also have like
Death by water slide.
Oh, really?
Alright, yep, time to get the teams on. Alright, thanks, Des.
Okay.
Also, I think Noah's ready.
What?
Oh, Noah's you ready? He's not.
You don't really.
they made you do cameras from stuff.
Wait, so is the game good to go or?
Just
Where did the little clip go for this
Yeah.
microphone?
Oh, might be stuck here close.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
I'm in problem because I'm actually thinking of maybe hosting my own
Wait, what?
but I can't think of anything to do because I think it'd be nice to have like a.
Seriously?
We had a new member come. She's keen on joining like a beginner friendly too.
You mean Coco? Her name is Coco.
How do you know?
Because I was literally one of the award her in the Gaming Expo.
Oh, it's awesome.
Well, how do you find it like uni?
Okay, well, have you got the teams ready?
Yep.
Alright, so yeah, so Yeah, call the team leaders and then get the names.
I'm just doing it solo.
Do you guys have any ideas that I could have?
What's like,
It's a
Alright.
great
I have
one.
one. Well, actually,
Well,
You
this
wanna present?
it's the basic Pong. I mean, that's like the most basic
There's what?
That's like, you know, Pong.
Pong. What's the twist gonna be?
1D Pong.
3D? I don't know.
No, let me joke. Remember the guy that wanted to do that console on Twitter?
yeah, not a lot of people like stick.
3D Pong could be fun.
3D Pong. 3D Pong or 1D Pong. Either way.
What's 1D Pong? Is this online?
Yeah, how does that
Literally
work?
just one, yeah, but
Maybe you can get worked on.
try to imagine it like one axis. But 3D would actually be fine.
I think my brain's too small.
Are you like really
Okay, yeah, let's get back to teams. So, you get the
3D Pong.
I mean, it doesn't have to be 3D Pong. It could be like,
Hello, 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 everybody. Could I please have the team leaders or the idea havers for this round come and present their ideas?
to say that you can't do
Does anyone want to go first? So just introduce your name.
So I'm Brian. Our concept is the classic retro snake game. You have guns, and you multiplayer, and you shoot the other person. Pretty simple.
alright. Is this 2D or 3D, by the way?
2D.
Okay. Ambitious.
Who's it? Imre?
Yeah. Alright, yeah, my idea is a quirked-up visual novel which has a few sort of mini games from older, you know, like Pong or Frogger, just stuff that's super easy. As I'm sure you guys are aware, we have exams soon, so we'll try and have it as simple and engaging as it can be.
Nice.
Yay!
Yeah.
What's the, do you want to explain like, what's the connection between the visual?
Okay, the connection between these mini games and the visual novel is that in a visual novel you have it easy because gamers born after 2000, you know, they can't like do things that require effort. But with this visual novel, you can't just click a button to do a thing. You need to like win a mini game or whatever, and if you lose, then maybe does something else or whatever. It's just basically to make making a decision more interesting than just clicking a button.
Oh. And last but not least. You okay to talk, or I can present you if you like.
Sure, why not? How do I do?
Just hold this closest to your mouth.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello. Alright, my name is Zach, and I was also thinking about a visual novel. It's a tower defense visual novel where you can hit monsters, you can befriend monsters, you can make enemy within monsters, and that would help you with the tower defense. You could probably date the monsters, they would probably put like bases near your towers. I don't know, I don't even have a programmer.
Hi. Looking for programmer.
Gaming.
Hi. Hi, would it be a tutorial team or
Sorry?
would it be a tutorial team?
Alright. Hi everyone, my name's Izzy. I will be making, so you guys are all familiar with the game Pong. I was thinking Pong, but what if it was 3D? So you've got some like fast-paced action going on there. You need to keep your camera in sight, the ball's flying all the way over there. You gotta, I think it'll be fun. Pong in 3D.
FPS.
FPS.
FPS Pong.
Minus motion sickness.
Motion sickness.
FPS Pong, I think that'll be fun. Yeah, no, that's my idea. You can like collect effects and stuff like that if you run into them, but you also obviously need to keep up with hitting the ball back as well, and that's my idea. The only thing I wanted to say about this one is that I for people who are maybe new to game development, this one's going to be like quite tutorial based. Like I'm more than happy to teach code or art from the ground up. If anyone's feeling kind of a little underconfident in game development, this one will get you on the path. Cool. I think that's us. Are there any sneaky extra ideas out there in the crowd before we start this round?
No? Okay, let's begin.
Awesome, let's start. So I'm going to get all four of us to stand up here and you will just gather around the team or the game that you're interested in.